I think I recorded that. Anyway, what I'm going to do is cheat, because I know that this second operation, I think I only showed one. I'm not sure. I won't know until I go back to edit the video, because I think I shot some, and then, anyway, I'm truing these up to 2 inches. I already have this face mill thing set so that it'll do a roughing pass and then come back at like 20 or 30 thousandths and do a cleanup pass and leave them right at 2 inches. These may be too short, but I know this one's too tall. So just to be sure. So then I'll change them out with another 3 and do it again. Well, I guess I should have measured that sucker. I thought it was within 1/8 of an inch, but maybe it's closer to 200 thou. Honestly, it didn't knock my head out of tram, or don't care, but okay, I don't think it's far enough out to affect what I'm doing, so that's one hell of a stout chip there. I'm not sure I'm even flexing it. Nice. Oh yeah, I gotta re-home it. Okay, gonna see about cutting these ball joint caps. This will be the first run. I'll probably slow it down just a little bit, then run it up to speed just to be sure. I set that for a M6 by 1 flathead, preferably an Allen, you know, a socket flathead. This is the only M6 I've got, so it ought to be close, but I won't be able to test fit these until I get an arm, and maybe by then I'll get some screws. But that's really what I wanted to see, was to make sure it was down at least flush, if not below. I didn't want it sticking up. It may be a little too far below, but I won't know for sure until I get the correct screws. So if I hold them both down and hold that against it, that should get them nice and parallel.